Students, this is your science sir. We are discussing the topic of the lesson is light. This is for our third video from this lesson. We are going to talk about the subtopic interaction of light with matter. Once again, I'll tell you, we are going to talk about interaction of light with the matter. You know about matter, that matter are available in three states. What are the states? Solid, liquid and gaseous states, you know. So that is only matter. Okay students, here you take a piece of clear glass, a paper and a metal sheet. Okay, three object, clear glass, a paper and a metal sheet. Okay, shine a light from one side of each object and see if the light penetrate on the other side. Penetrate means if you pass the light on one side, that will comes out another direction or another side. That is the penetrating property of the light. Okay. Readily we can see light enters and comes out of the other end of clear glass. Okay, whereas the light is bit dim through a paper. Okay, light does not pass through metal sheet. Okay, depending upon permeability, materials can be classified into three categories. Permeability also, if you pass the light on the material, which is allow the light goes towards the another side of the material, which is the permeability property. Okay, லைட் வந்து ஒரு சைடில் நீங்கள் லைட்டை பாஸ் பண்ணும்போது அடுத்த டைரெக்ஷனில் வந்து அந்த லைட் வந்து வெளியே வந்துச்சுனாக்கா தட் இஸ் தி பெர்மிபிலிட்டி அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஓகே, அந்த பேசிஸை பேஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு depending upon permeability, materials can be classified into three categories. We know that transparent material, translucent material and opaque material. Okay students, what is the definition for the three terms? Transparent material, translucent material and opaque material. Okay, materials that allow light to pass through completely, okay, completely are known as transparent material. Transparent மெட்டீரியல்னா ஒரு மெட்டீரியல் மேலே லைட்டை நம்ம பாஸ் பண்ணும்போது அந்த எல்லா லைட்டையும் வந்து அந்த வழியாக வந்து அலோவ் பண்ணி அடுத்த டைரெக்ஷனுக்கு வந்து அந்த லைட்டு வெளியே போகுதுனாக்கா தட் இஸ் த டிரான்ஸ்பரண்ட் மெட்டீரியல். எக்ஸாம்பிள், ஐ கிளாஸஸ், கிளியர் ட்ரிங்கிங் கிளாஸ், கிளியர் வாட்டர், ஃபேஸ் கிளாஸஸ் அண்ட் இன் paste glasses are used in buses. Okay, so in front of driver, when driver can driving the bus, car, something, you know, so in front of him, that through that mirror, driver can see what are the things present, what are the things is going on outside of the mirror. So that and all transparent material. Okay, next we will talk about translucent material. Objects that allow light to pass through partially. Okay, objects that allow light to pass through partially are called translucent material. Okay, லைட்டை வந்து பாதி அளவு மட்டும், குறைஞ்ச அளவு மட்டுமே பாஸ் பண்ண, அந்த பக்கம் பாஸ் பண்ண முடிஞ்சிச்சுனாக்கா that is the translucent material. For example, we cannot see the image of someone who stands behind a rough window glass. Okay, rough window glassக்கு முன்னாடி யார் நிற்கிறாங்கன்றது நமக்கு தெரியாது. Okay, because it allows only a part of light from the person. Okay, next we will talk about opaque material. Next we will talk about opaque material. Okay students, materials that are not able to allow light to pass through them. Example, நம்ம wall சொல்லலாம். If you pass the torch light on the wall, okay, the light should not go another side. Okay, Material that are not able to allow light to pass through are called opaque material. Example, wall, thick cardboard, stone. These are the material should not allow the light pass through them. Okay students, till now we discussed about uh, matter interaction with the light. Next we will talk about shadow. Shadow is formed by opaque materials only. Okay students, how are shadows formed? How are shadows formed? As we saw earlier, light is obstructed by certain materials. Light travels in a straight line, hence it cannot go around such objects. Okay, that is why we see shadow. Okay, shadow is always against or opposite side against or opposite side of light sources. Okay, நிழல் வந்து நம்மளோட நிழல் தெரியுதுனாக்கா opposite side of the light sources only. Okay, it is caused by opaque objects that stops light from propagating. Okay, opaque object தான் என்ன பண்ணாதுன்னு சொன்னோமோ light should not pass material that are not able to allow light to pass through are called opaque object நம்ம படிச்சிருக்கோம் சரியா. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஷேடோ வந்து இந்த ஒப்பேக் ஆப்ஜெக்ட்னால தான் வந்து லைட்டை ஷேடோவை ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுது. ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், நவ் வி வில் டாக் அபவுட் பார்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஷேடோ. ஷேடோ அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம்னா அதில் என்னென்னலாம் பார்ட்ஸ் இருக்கும். What are the parts? Like we can say umbra, pen umbra. So like that words. And what are the properties of shadow? When that shadow will form. So that and all we are going to discuss now. Okay, first when an object when an opaque object is placed in the path of light from a point sources, a uniform dark shadow will appear on the screen. Okay, this shadow is called as umbra. This shadow is called as umbra. Okay students, once again I will tell you, when an opaque object is placed in the path of light from a point sources, okay, a uniform dark shadow will appear. We can see that uniform dark shadow will appear on the screen. This is called umbra. When an opaque object is placed in the path of light coming from a broad sources of light, a small umbra will appear on the screen, and an illuminated shadow area appears around umbra. Illuminated shadow area appears around umbra. Okay, this is called this illuminated shadow area is called as penumbra. Okay students, so in that shadow part, dark region is nothing but umbra. Okay, around that umbra one part is there, that is penumbra. The penumbra always surrounds the umbra. The umbra is the darkest part of shadow. Umbra is the darkest part of shadow. In this part, light rays are completely prevented by the opaque object. Okay students, then the lighter shade of shadow is the penumbra. The lighter shade of the shadow is the penumbra. Okay students, properties of shadow. All objects do not form shadow. Okay, only opaque objects form shadows. Okay, we discussed transparent material, translucent material, opaque material. No, among that material only opaque objects only forms the shadow. Shadows will be formed in the opposite side of light sources, and it cannot be determined the characteristics of an object by its shadow. Okay, then the shadow will be always darker whatever may be the color, or whatever may be the color of light rays. Okay, if the person who wear that wore the red color cloth, red color dress, or different blue color or green color, some other, so where shadow will not get like that particular color only. Shadow, we will get shadow only dark black region only. Light sources, light source, opaque objects or shadow all are in a straight line only. Okay, light source, opaque object and shadow all are in a straight line only. Okay, the size of shadow depends upon the distance between light sources and the object and the distance between object and the screen. Okay, shadow oda size வந்து எதெல்லாம் டிபெண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்குன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா distance between the light sources depend பண்ணியிருக்கு. Then object and the distance between object and the screen. Okay, in screen only we can see that images. In screen only we can see that images. Okay students, next we will talk about eclipse. Next we will talk about eclipse. Okay, கிரகணம் சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. சூரிய கிரகணம் and சந்திர கிரகணம், we can say, no, so that about that only we will discuss next. Eclipses. Okay students, okay. An eclipse is an incident when any astronomical objects is partially or fully obscured. Okay, obscured due to the placement of another astronomical object in the presence of light. Okay, something will come and hidden, something will come and hidden that something, that only here something in the means astronomical object like sun, star. Okay, sorry, sun, moon, this only. Okay, an eclipse is an incident when any astronomical object is partially or fully obscured due to the placement of another astronomical object in the presence of light. Thus solar and lunar eclipses, okay, are occurring that are due to the property of light known as the rectilinear propagation of light, known as the rectilinear propagation of light. In here rectilinear propagation in the sense the light can travel in a straight line only, that is only rectilinear. Okay students, next we talk about, okay, solar eclipses. Next we will talk about solar eclipses. Okay, now we are talking about solar eclipses. Solar eclipse occurs எப்போ வந்து solar சூரிய கிரகணம் நடக்கும்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா when the moon arrives between the sun and the earth. Okay, when the moon arrives between, எங்க சன்னுக்கும் earthக்கும் இடையில வந்து moon வரும்பொழுது தான் we can see that solar eclipses. The shadow of the moon appears on the earth at A as shown in the picture. Okay, hence those who are at the region A are unable to see the sun instantly. Okay, this is solar eclipses. But those who are present, those who are at the region B and C are able to see the sun partially. If the person who standing in the region A, they cannot see that sun, they cannot see the sun. This is the solar eclipses. Okay, in between sun and earth moon arrives, that only solar eclipses. Okay, next lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse occurs when the earth comes between the sun and the moon. Okay, the earth prevents light coming from the sun and makes shadow on the moon. This is lunar eclipses. Okay, okay students. Plane mirror and reflection. Next subtopic, plane mirror and reflection. A polished or smooth surface like glass which forms image by reflection is known as mirror. Okay, a plane mirror is a mirror with a flat reflective surface. Flat reflective surface as shown in the figure. Okay, as shown in the figure. Next, a plane mirror makes an image of objects in front of it. A plane mirror makes an image of objects in front of it. If you stand in front of the mirror, you can see your face. Okay, okay, that mirror reflects your face. Okay, students. Next, the image. What are the properties of image formed in a plane mirror? Okay, the image is upright. The image is upright. Upright means laterally inverted there. Laterally inverted there. Okay, the image is upright. The image, the image is upright. The image and the object are the same size. The image is virtual. The image is virtual. Okay, we will talk about real image and virtual image and all later. Okay, image is virtual. Next, the image is laterally inverted. The image is laterally inverted. The boy's left, you are watching that picture. The boy's left hand is his image's right hand. Okay. Then we can suppose if you see in that if you look at that ambulance, they written the word ambulance in a invertedly. Okay, then only the driver can read that word ambulance. Okay, back position driver can read that word. Okay, then that only laterally inverted அப்படினு சொல்றோம். We can determine the position of an object's image by drawing light rays. Okay, students. Next, they mentioning there no some ray diagram like they drawn there. Okay, the distance of the object from the mirror is equal to the distance of the image from the mirror. Okay, students, you know about image. Image-na அந்த நம்மள மாதிரியே உருவம் வந்து அந்த mirror-ல plane mirror-ல தெரியுது இல்லையா, that is the image. We can see that some image on the screen, you know, that is the image. Okay, next, the ray of light AO, the ray of light AO from the boy head strikes the mirror at a point O. AO is called the incident ray. AO is called incident ray, and the incident ray makes an angle of incident with the perpendicular line ON. You know about ON. O is the point of incident, N is normal. Okay, N is normal. Normal is present in between incident ray and reflected ray, students. Okay, students, the light ray OA strikes the surface and is reflected as OE. OE is called a reflected ray. This ray makes an angle of reflection small r with the normal. The line ON perpendicular to the surface is known as the normal. Okay, students, till now the video comes an end. Okay, remaining part we will discuss in next video. Thank you, students.